Hello and welcome back, students. Today we are going to see the unit 4 of the grammar book, that is determiners. And we know already we have learned and we have studied in previous class what a determiner is. And these words are used like just qualify the nouns and adjectives, and see that it's written there like adjectives determiner also qualify the nouns just similar as adjective, but here the distribute the parts of determiners are different and the uses of determiners are quite different from adjectives. For example, my uncle, the best students, every house, that book, some files. So here are the words my. In my uncle's, my is there, so possessive one. So it's written there. Determiners are nothing but the words which determines or shows the quantity or quality, or that how to call or how to state a subject or a noun. It's called determiner. The word is called determiner. So kind of determiners is are here. First one is demonstratives, that is this, that, these, those. We already know the uses of these words: this, that, these, those. This is already used for that one, which is singular and nearer. That is for singular but the far one, not the near one. These means it's a near one but a plural, and those which are plural and far, right? So examples are there. Few examples here: this book is the best book on mathematics. So this book is the book is nearer, that's why called this. And this is a single book, that's why it's written there, this book. Now these dresses, dresses itself plural, that's why it's written there these. And dresses are nearer the subject, so it's written there these dresses belong to a very famous film star. It's written over there these, this and these refer to persons or articles which are near. And that and those two are singular and plural as but far respectively. Now second one is possessive one: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. So we know that my is for singular one, or you can say plural also, but the possessive one, that if you have, you possess or you own something, so you can write my. R means in a collective way. If you say that the subject is plural, so we can say that R, and things you can put there one, that our house or our school. Next one is distributive one. Name itself suggests distributive. Distribute means to make it separate or distinguish, or make it uh, different one, or the separate one. So the words are either, neither, each, and every. So these are singular only. With these words, either, neither, each, and every, with those words we use singular verb itself. These are singular itself because we talk one only at a time. Next one is quantifiers. Quantifiers name itself suggests that make it quantity. In mathematics, we already know that what quantity is, like liter, kilometer, and kilogram itself. That's quantity, right? So here that is unit, but the quantity is 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo, like this. And we know that two kinds of quantity we have, which is countable. One is countable and one is uncountable. But we will differentiate later in the chapter. But here words are there: some, any, much, many, several. Which words show the quantity or counting of anything, that is quantifier determiner. The fifth one is called interrogative. So interrogative itself we know that one, the question words: which, what, which, whose, or words are there. Okay. Next is articles. Articles we already know that separately we have seen that article, that is a, and the. So the word, the uses of a, and the, we already know that a is for the a and n, that is for uh, subject which is singular, and that the is we use which is already described or the unique one. Exercise 1 says that in a bookshop, Rani and Raman went over there and they talk about that. So you have to fill it out with the help of only four words, that is called this, that, these, those. Already described that what this used for. This is used for singular but nearer one. That is used for singular but the far one. These is used for plural but the nearer one. And those used for plural but the far one. So first line says that Rani said, Raman, look, have you noticed dash new books on computers? So notice means in the bookshop they are standing over there, it means books are far. So and it's written there new books, it means plural. So you can say that those, have you noticed those new books on computers? Like this you have to fill it out. Exercise 1, that's very simple. Come to the exercise 2, fill in the blanks with possessives one. Possessive one we already seen that. Which one? My, our, your, his, her, its, their. Which you possess or own things. Okay. First one is written there. I was astonished at dash reaction to the good advice given to him. Okay. So astonished means surprised, and yeah, surprised with at whose reaction. So his or her, both you can write over there, his or her reaction to the good advice given to him. Okay, like this you can fill it out. Exercise 3 says that complete the passage by filling blanks with possessive one. Again the possessive one you have to write over there. So one situation given here, the children enter their classroom and find their books and stationery thrown by their intruders, by some intruder everywhere. Complete their conversation. Means children entered in the classroom and saw that books and stationery or bags are thrown here and there on the ground, or on the floor itself. And they were talking like Geeta, Vijay, Rashid, Surabhi, Geeta. So they talk among them, so you have to fill it out. Next one is distributive. Section C says that distributives. So distributives determiner, I told you, each, every, either, neither, that is used for only singular subject, and we talk singular because we talk the thing once at a time. Each means one of two things or one of any number exceeding 2. Every is used to in speaking of some number exceeding 2. So example, each of them had a gun in his hand. Each of them means both each of them means all of them, they have taken gun in their hand. So each of you can go to the market. So means one of them you can go to that. And then every man expects to be rich and successful. Every man means everyone. Every country expects loyalty from its people. So every country means each and every country. So each of them had a gun in his hand. So it's written over there. Two things or one of any number exceeding 2. Either has two meanings. One of two, or second one is each of two. That is both. Neither is the negative of either and means neither the one nor the other. Either means if two of them are there, so either means either first one or second one has that one, and neither means neither the first one, neither the second one, nor the second one. So for example, it's written there, you can leave by either door, means two doors are there, so you can go by either the door, one of the door you can use. Trees grew on either side of the road. So roads had two sides, so trees can grow either the side, means any one of the side it can grow. He looked at neither side of the road. Neither the side means not both the sides, so he did not look any of the sides. किसी भी side में उसने नहीं देखा. So fill in the blanks based on your understanding. You can fill the exercise 4, that is fill in the blanks with each, every, either and neither. So dash of 20 boys was fined. Okay, so it's written there was fined, it means you have to it's a singular one itself, I told you. So each of the 20 boys was fined, means everyone have been fined. Everyone has been fined, so you can stand on either the side. So it's very easy. 10 are there, you can fill it out. Next is quantifiers. Many, much, many. So we already know that the difference between much and many, which is countable, which is uncountable. Much, we use much where the thing is uncountable, and many we use where is the thing is countable. Much stands for quantity and many denotes number. Simplify, it's simplified over there. Much stands for quantity. Quantity means how much quantity. Okay, and the many denotes number. Number means 1 2 3, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Okay, now Was there much milk left in the pot? So milk is uncountable over there. The word milk, it is uncountable, so that's why it's written there much milk. So were there many people watching the movie? So people are countable, you can count the people. We haven't got many books, so books are countable, you can count the books, that's why it's written there many books. She doesn't have much money. Money is uncountable. The word money is uncountable. If it is not how many rupees, how many dollars, how many pesos, so you can count over there, but here the money, okay, so money is uncountable, it's written there haven't much money. Next is a little, a little, and the little. So the words are let's see that carefully. This one, little, a little, and the little. That's very crucial. So let's see that little means hardly any or not much. It has a negative meaning. So if you use only the little, little, so it means nothing left. Means about to finish. That's why it has negative meaning. There are little money in the house. It means not left, means not much left, about to finish, about to getting zero. There are little that she could do to help the patient, means she had nothing in the hand to do help of the patient, okay. A little means some, at least. It has an affirmative meaning. Affirmative means the positive one, the positive meaning. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge means it has some knowledge, okay, not totally finished, not totally filled, but a little. There is a little milk left in the pot. It means little milk, it's there, it is visible. Not about to left, not about to finish. Little milk. The little means some. It can be used both positively and negatively. He wasted the little strength he had in being angry. So the little means the little, it's written there, which is already over there, and it is talking about the things which is already left um, in the pot, or you can they left on the subject, left in the subject. He wasted the little strength. So the strength in the man or the person, the strength, the little strength which is left over there, he wasted that. It means the strength he had was not much. Already written, that is negative one. He wasted all the strength what he had in his body, which is positive one. So he left that. He wasted that. In the same way, we can say that few are few and the few. Same thing. Few means not many and has a negative meaning. So few we can count. That's why we use few. Okay. So he has few books in his left in his library. It means few books were there. A few means the positive, like a little, that's a few. I have a few books left in my library. Second, the few. So it is quite similar to the little, a little, the little. With that, few, a few, and the few. Now, less and fewer. Less is used with the reference to quantity and fewer with reference to the number. Again, refer to the much and many. In much, we have seen that it refers to the quantity, and that many was there for the denotes the number. Here, less is with reference to, used to reference with reference to quantity, and fewer with reference to number. The huge pumpkin weighed no less than 10 pounds. So less is there for quantity, is there less than 10 pounds. I cannot buy less than 10 kilograms of rice. No fewer than 2000 people joined the strike. So clearly we see that if the thing is countable and which is uncountable, so if uncountable or the showing the quantity using less, and if it's showing the number like 2010 civilians, so it is used by the fewer. Next is some and any. To express quantity, some is used in the affirmative sentence, any in the negative one. I have some milk but I do not have any sugar. So some milk means it's positive one, and the any sugar means nothing left. So that is in negative one. In the same way, it's written there. Next example we can say, or next point we can say that some is used. Some is used in interrogative sentences when making polite request. Will you give me some sugar? It means asking for the few sugar. Some sugar means a little one. Will you have some more tea? So in a positive one, asking a question. In conditional sentence, as if there are any oranges in the market, please buy some. Any oranges means in the positive one, अगर कोई भी बचा हो, एक दो थोड़ा कुछ भी बचा हो, so you can get it. Some is used is conditional sentences. If you see any oranges in the market, could you buy some for me? So अगर कुछ बचा खुचा भी मिला तो उसमें से कुछ ले आना. So that is some is used for conditional sentences. Condition दिया हुआ है. Use of any in interrogative or negative sentences. Did you buy any stamps? Any stamp means it has it was there lots of stamps. Okay, a lot of stamps. From them, uh, did you buy any stamps? Okay. Have you any articles on the recent events? So recent events had many more articles to be written, but have you any written? Okay, that's why interrogative or negative sentences. I didn't see any oranges in the market. मैंने कोई भी oranges नहीं देखे. So on your basis of understanding, we sit in there, fill in the blanks with much or many. That's very easy. If it's showing the quantity, you put the much over there. If you found any number over there, so you can write many over there. So first one is that how dash sugar do you want in your tea? So it is uncountable and there is no number is there, so much will be there. How much sugar? Then again, how dash times is uncountable. See, number is not there. It is quantity itself. So how much times have you been in Shimla? We don't get dash rain here, so rain cannot be countable, right? So we can't count and its number is not there, so we don't get much rain here. He is facing many problems. So many problems means we can say number of problems we can have. So like this exercise 6, each every either neither, you can fill few a few little a little, already described over there. Exercise 8 says that in the passage given below there is a missing article or any other what is that, mark the place slash and write the missing article in the space provided. One is done for you. So article we have already seen a and the, so we know that, so you can put over here articles. So you can do the exercise. Meanwhile, revise that section A, B, C, and D. If you have any problem, you can ask the question. You can put the text message, or you can ask here itself. I will answer, and each and everyone can see that. And I'll be sharing the answers of those exercises once in WhatsApp group. Till then, read it out, and thank you very much.